2. Wright Brothers Flyer, 1903. First powered, controlled and sustained flight, 3. Engine. Gasoline-powered 12 HP engine, 910s. Biplanes in World War I, military aviation, 1909-1918. 1. Biplane design. Dominant design with 2 wings stacked. Tucker, World War I. Airplanes used for military reconnaissance and combat. 3. Engine. Up to 200 HP engines with propellers. 1920s, 1930s. All-metal airplanes, airliners emerged. 1919-1939. 1. All-metal construction. Replaced wood and fabric with metal. 2. Boeing 247, 1933. First modern airliner. With retractable landing gear. 3. Engine. Radial engines. Up to 1,000 HP, with variable pitch propellers. 1940s. World War II. Jet engines and pressurization. 1939-1945. One-shirred jet engines. First operational jet fighter. Messerschmitt med 260 1944. 2. Pressurization. Allowed high-altitude flight with cabin pressurization. 2. Bombers. Strategic bombers like B-29 dominated warfare. 1950s, 1960s. Commercial jets, de Havilland. Comet and Boeing 707. 1949-1969. 1. De Havilland Comet. 1952. First commercial jet airliner. 2. Boeing 707. 1958. Popularized commercial jet travel. 1970s. Wide bodies and efficient engines. 1. Boeing 747 jumbo jet, 1970. First wide-body commercial airliner. 2. McDonnell Douglas DC-10, 1971. Another wide-body option. 3-SIR engine, efficiency, high bypass. Turbofan engines reduced fuel consumption. 1980s. Fly-by-wire and glass cockpits. 1980-1989. 1. Airbus A320, 1988. Introduced fly-by-wire technology. 2. Glass cockpits. Electronic flight instrument systems. Replaced analog gauges. 3-SIR engine advances. Higher bypass. Turbofans and unducted fan engines emerged. 1990s. Composite materials and global positioning. 1990-1999. 1. Boeing 777 1995 out. First commercial plane with extensive composite materials. 2. Global. Positioning system GPS. Enabled precise navigation and landing approaches. 3. Engine efficiency. Further improvements in high bypass turbofans. 2000s. Advanced avionics and very large aircraft. 2000-2009. On Airbus A3 High-Russau. 2005. Largest commercial airliner with advanced avionics. A. Boeing 787. Dreamliner 2007. Composite materials and advanced systems. Rear engine advances. GenX and Trent 1000. Engines with improved efficiency. 2010s. Sustainable. Aviation and electric propulsion. 2010-2019. 1. Sustainable aviation fuels. SAF. Emerging alternative to traditional jet fuel. 2. Electric and hybrid electric. Propulsion. Experimental planes like Airbus E-Fan. 3. Advanced materials. Further composite material advancements. 2020s. Autonomous systems and next-gen aircraft. 2020-2025. On autonomous systems. Autonomous taxiing. Takeoff and landing systems tested. 2. Next-gen. Aircraft US, Boeing NMA and Airbus. A320neo, 330neo successors planned. 3. Electric and hybrid electric. Propulsion. Increased investment in sustainable propulsion technologies.